Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsa Yoga Center. This is Kaina. Today video is all about Ashtavakrasana. Before moving to the video, if you are a new visitor to our channel, do subscribe and click a bell icon and you are not going to miss any video from our channel. Let's begin our practice. The first we will begin with Asana. Now try to lock your fingers complete. Slowly swing your leg, right and left movement. Make sure your spine should be straight. So by practicing this one, it takes our legs to the upper arm or else shoulder as well. This is very important because it will give a nice hip opening as well. Yes, now the second step is, now I am using the bricks. Make sure try to practice with the bricks. Now slowly bend your right leg. Try to take your right leg as back as possible, okay? I will show you from the sidewise. Try to pull your right leg back as possible. Now slowly try to place your calf muscles over the shoulder or else upper arm. Shoulders or else upper arm like this, okay? Now slowly place your bricks beside the hip. Slowly stretch your left leg forward. Now slowly from here, slowly raise your hips up and stay here. So try to practice and hold as much as possible. Yes. Let us fold for 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly release and relax. Try to practice this same exercise on the other side as well. Take your bricks. Now slowly lift your hip up and stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release and slowly release your leg and relax. The next one is same way. Place your right leg over the shoulder. Now slowly hip up. Now try to lift your leg up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Relax. Yes, and the another one is same way. Let us hold our left leg as much as possible, okay? Slowly up and stay here. And down. Yes, slowly relax. The next step is same way, apply the all step. Now slowly bend your left leg. Try to bring your left leg and try to lock your or else cross your leg, okay? From here, slowly lift your hip up and down, up and down, up and down. Now this time we are going to hold for few seconds. Slowly up and stay here. Very good. Now slowly release and relax. Let us do same way on the other side. The right leg should come up. Now slowly up and down, up and down. Now slowly hold and down and relax. And the next step is same way, apply all the step. Try to practice with the help of bricks in the beginning. Now slowly buttocks up. When you are able to balance here, then slowly stretch your leg and slowly bend your both elbows and stay here. So this is the final pose of Ashtavakrasana. Now slowly bend the legs, lower the buttocks down and relax. Yes, this is the practice of Ashtavakrasana. This asana strengthens the wrist and the arms and also develop the muscles of abdomen. Relieve the menstrual disorder and menopause. Menopause symptoms. Improve the function of the kidneys and the livers. Helps to build a concentration and balance. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. And thanks for watching this video. Namaste.